I wish. I ain't ready yet, man. Man, this is tight. Man, Widebody too. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man, I didn't even really plan this video, but I was online looking for Scat packs, and I came across a price of a Scat pack at a local dealership that I just can't believe. So what we gonna do, we about to go up here right now. I'm gonna look and see if these prices are real, because and the price I'm talking about is for a 2020 Scat pack. Not at 18, 19, I'm talking about 2020. I can't believe these prices, bro. So I'm not sure if it's a base model. Even if it's a base model, I can't believe the price that they talking about, that I saw online. You know, sometimes they have rebates that everybody don't qualify for, but they're saying that online is saying that these are the real prices. And it definitely includes the power dollars. I'm about to go up here right now and see if these are some real prices. So let's go. All right, man, so we pulling up here at this dealership, man. Let me see if, I'm just curious if these prices are real, bro. So we're gonna have to go in the back, because I know normally the car's in the back. So we're gonna go up here. I see some Scat packs in the front though. I probably should have went that way, but I don't wanna talk to nobody right this moment. So let's go around here and see if these cars are back here, bro. There go Corvette. Maybe somebody trading that on it. See two Chargers right. See, they done locked off. Come on, man. You gonna have to move that, champ. Yeah. You gonna have to move that, champ. All right, look at all these Scat packs right here. All these joints are 2020, supposedly. So let's get out here and see what's happening. What we got? What we got? All these Jones Scat packs. All of them look like they got sunroofs. See something? Yeah, it's 2020s, and they say 48. All these joints, bruh. They got a whole slew of Scat packs, Challengers, and Chargers. These look like V6s right here, though. This junk tight right here. It's Challengers. This is a 5.7. Yeah, this is a 5.7, 2020. Sticker on this is 40. Yeah. What's this? This probably, oh, this that same one, Stars and Stripes Scat pack. This junk tight though, man. I'm surprised ain't nobody bought this yet. Let's go up here and look at these Scat packs up here, man. There's a whole bunch of them up here too. My baby sitting there looking sweet. This Go Mango junk slick. Yeah, this joint tight right here. 2020. Now these stickers on here say the total price is 43. But I'm gonna show y'all what it say online. Look at this white joint. This one 46. Yeah, they got an unlimited amount of 2020 Scat packs out here. FA green. Say this one say 42. I wonder why this one's so cheap. Alright, it's no leather. New car smell, bruh. Get me every time. I wonder why this one, they got a sunroof. I guess because it don't have leather. 42. Is that a SRT Durango? Nope. Nah, that's a regular, probably a RT. I'm gonna show y'all the prices of these cars, bro. All these joints. Man, I think that's it though. I don't see no Trackhawks or nothing like that. Let me go. I don't know. They got some Jeeps right there. Let me see if some we got any Trackhawks or anything out here. All these look like regular Jeeps. All these Challengers are 5.7s. I don't see a SRTs. All these look like regular Jeeps. Yep. $300. Yep, it's the same joints that was out here. Yeah, sir. This 300 tight, man. I like this silver and black combination. I want this a 2020. Yep, 2020 300. Tour and sport package. Let's see what it's gonna look like on the inside. Oh, this only got cloth seats. It's nice though. No sunroof. Probably get this car dirt cheap. So yeah, man, I just want to show y'all. This is a quick video, man. This ain't my typical dealership video. I just saw the price online. I couldn't believe it. So let me show y'all what they selling these. All these Scat Packs right here. What they selling these joints for? What it say online? I'm gonna show y'all right now. So yeah, man, I can't believe the prices that they're advertising online for these cars. Now I don't know how real those prices are, but for 26K for a 2020 Scat Pack, that's crazy, bro. That is crazy. I think they're trying to get rid of them because the the wide bodies are coming in. Put my damn seatbelt on. Now I saw some Scat Packs on the front of the store. So, and I heard they got a wide body up here. So we gonna see. Let me go up in here, man, see if they got a wide body in here. Let's go up in here, y'all. I wasn't gonna go in here, but it's hard for me to just ride by knowing they might have a wide body Scat Pack in here, and I just keep going like I don't know. So let's go in here and see what's happening. Shit, I wish. I ain't ready yet, man. Man, this is tight. Man, wide body too. Oh yeah? You give me a discount? This is a beautiful car, man. He don't have a discount, but he can give me a discount. That don't really a tornado. Yeah? The wide body, probably the only one you're going to see now right now. Waldorf got one too. Yeah, they got one. So yeah, they out here. This was pretty. I haven't seen a black on black one like this. Yeah, this is tight right here, man. This daggone music gonna get copyright. Yeah, this is beautiful right here, man. Now I saw online that y'all got Scat Packs for 26K. Now how? That's not real. This is tight. Oh, okay. Yeah. To get people to come in. Yeah. Well, you got me, because I sure came up in here. I'm looking like, wait a minute, 26? Man, this joint tight. Yeah, man. This is tight right here, man. Dodge did a good job on this. Yeah. Yeah, I like them tires, these rims. Yeah, that's tight right there. How much is this car? 57? Yeah, this is tight. Yeah, I got a 2016 RT. It's right there. Yeah. I don't know. I'm upside down in that car so bad. Come sit down. Oh, man. I don't know, man. How much you bet on that? So, all right, guys. So, as you saw, they had the wide body Scat Pack in there, and they was trying hard to sell me that jump. But like I told them, I said, man, I ain't ready to do that yet. Plus, I really want a Hellcat. So when I'm ready, really ready, then I'll sit down and go over the numbers for both of them. But He also said something that was interesting. He was like, they're only ordering a certain amount of wide-body Scat packs. Now, I don't know how true that is. Basically saying that Dodge is only manufacturing a certain amount of wide-body Scat packs, that the ones that you're seeing, it's going to be a while before they actually get any more into the dealership. So if you want one, you got to go in there and order it. And he also said that they are coming out with regular 2020 Hellcats, non-wide body, just the narrow body Hellcats 2020s. He's not sure what, if anything is going to be different, which I doubt it is, but he did say they're going to be getting in some 2020 narrow body Hellcats. So that was pretty interesting, because I thought they were only coming out with the wide body Hellcats. So we will see, and you guys know I will let you know when I know something. So like I said, man, this was just a quick video. I did not plan on making this video, but I figured since I was in the area, I'll go ahead and bring you guys this information. So if this is your first time joining my channel, man, hit that like button, subscribe, man. I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace.